Emma at Willow Babes, and this week's theme is Pirate Shipwreck Week. So I'm sure you've all done Pirate Week at your swimming lessons. It's a really popular one, it's the one that you really engage the children. Today, this is how we do it at Willow Babes. We have got an inflatable treasure chest, and inside we've got some golden rings, some sapphires and rubies, and some emeralds. And what we're going to do is we're going to spread that out all over the pool, and the children are going to collect it in using their long paddle arms and their fast kicking legs. They could blow the balls back, they could carry these back, they could even go on their own boat and collect them in on their boat like this. So what we're learning is paddle, front paddle, back paddle if you want, blowing, so breathing techniques, treading water techniques, balance. Once we've collected everything in, we're going to bury the treasure, but again by practicing their long paddles. And we're going to do a big star float because X marks the spot, and we're going to make a big thing about X marks the spot, just to try and engage the brain that this shape, the X shape, is very similar to the star float on their back, just to help them get that, to affirm it. So once we've done that, we're going to try and get off the island. We can go into waterfalls, we can go through caves, we could maybe have to go down a slide where we have to roll over onto our backs. There's lots of different obstacles you can come up on the island. Maybe swimming under the waterfall, or through a cave. Maybe there's some sunken treasure in one of the lakes on the island and we get coming off the floor. So once we've done that, we're going to swim over, climb up onto the deck of our ship, which is over there. Oh no, pirates are there! Oh my gosh, they're going to make us walk the plank. We're going to walk the plank one at a time, jump on in. If they're with the parents, they could perhaps all do it together. You could even use a play raft to walk in, but really be careful stepping to the side in case they slip. So maybe it's better if someone holds a hand as they initially step on and can clear of the wall. Once we're on the water and the treaded water or they make the way to the raft, we can either climb on the raft or we can all hold on. One fun thing we like to do is, if it rains at sea, is it gets wavy and we start bouncing about. It's really good for core strength, it's good for the balance. And that's our very brief pirate adventure. For the younger ones, we're going to do lots of floating around on these mats. These mats are really good because they actually sink a little bit in them, and you can actually pull them down a bit so the baby or the young toddler can go lower in the water and feel the buoyancy a little bit better. These mats are great, highly recommend them. For our treasure chest today, which is a good one because it's Pirate Week, we've got some coconuts, some real life coconuts. And you hear the noise inside there, it's very subtle. Do they sing? Do they float? Let's see. It's floating. There we go. It's a good one for the children. We've got eye catchers for those who want to dress up. And we've got lots of wooden things in here. We've got some pine cones, we've got some driftwood, scrub the decks. So that's our treasure thing for the babies. So the babies, we're going to do lots of floating, they can do lots of jumping in, and again we can try and get them to encourage moving their arms by collecting the balls in maybe. Lots of fun really. We can use the play mat as well, and a little play on this. Maybe babies could go into the waterfall even. Lots of things you can do on Pirate Week, and we have lots of fun songs that go with it. Motorboat, motorboat, going so slow, motorboat, going so fast, motorboat, motorboat, step on the gas. That one is the pirate song, this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over the Irish Sea. Bottle of ropes, good from tongue, and that's all like by me. War. And then also maybe row, row, row your boat. Big ship sailed on the alley-alley-o. Lots of fun ideas for pirate theme. Thank you for watching. Tune in next week for next week's theme, which will be Bee Week. Thank you, bye.